Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 5th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese a suguru. And the last puzzle, and this will be my 1000th binary puzzle. Yes, special one. These puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So I will do the half of these additional. So 4 of them I will solve, and the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 5729. 5729, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Alright, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Alright. 1, 2, 3 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 1 6, 2 sevens, 4 eights. Alright, 2 sevens, and 1 9. So the ones, the twos, and the eights are in majority. Can I start with the 1? That's my question. Yes, we have 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the last row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 1. Not true. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Yeah. Need to wait. How about the 2 then now? The 2. Yeah, 2 in the last row. 2 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row. Third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the first column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. How about the 8 then? Let me see. 8. 4 8s, yeah. 8. 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes, so the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, here should be the 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. No, I cannot continue with the 8. And the 1, I cannot continue with the 1, so I'm looking for, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 9. Alright. Okay. Then, we have a pair, the 4 and the 6 in the last column, the 4 and the 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. That means we have 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 7 in the first row, in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 9 in this row, the 1 and the 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 9, 1 and the 9. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Then 6. Yeah. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on. 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, third row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Alright. I'm thinking. 4, 1, 7, 2, 2. Well. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 7. Need a 7 there. 7. Well. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. 3. 3, 3, 3. 3. Oh, 3, 3, 3. Yes. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 3, 3. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 3 3 3 3 3. Ah, yeah. Come on. 1 1, need a 1 here. 2 3 4 5, need a 6 6 6 6 7 8, need a 9 9 9 9. Well, I'm thinking. Come on. 1 9 4 4 4 4 4 4 and 8 8, need an 8 there. 8 8 4 8 3 and a 5. Come on. 3 5 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be there. Alright. So now 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 to be here or there. We see a 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. 4 3 3 3. Yeah, this should be the 3. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this middle row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this middle column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. And the other pair in this big square should be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 and a 9, okay. 8 and the 5, yeah. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the in this big square. Here we have a 1 and a 9. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. One box left in this second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then let me see. How about do we have all the ones? Yeah, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. How about the 2 then? With all the 2s, oh, we have all the 2s here. We have the 8s then, the 8s, do we have all the 8s? Nope, here we need an 8, there need an 8. Well, 8 and 4 is missing. Alright. Then. 7. 222 888 111 333 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated 8. So the 8 goes there. Can I count? And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. How about the 8 then? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Wow. 18 minutes. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The 4 Star Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.